Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And it was December of 2019 when I backed the Kickstarter campaign for the Dride Dashcam. Well, fast forward almost 2 years later, they have a new 4K dual camera Dashcam, that's right. And I'm going to put a link to their new campaign on Kickstarter. They waited a little bit and now it's out. They're doing very well. In this video, I'll share with you their campaign video. There may be some changes coming to the design, and if there are any changes, I'll share that with you. But I wanted to let you know, so if you're thinking about getting the Dride and you had wanted it, well, now you're going to be able to get the new improved version. And so before I share that with you, and I'll put the link in the description as well as in the comment area, the app has been great. I love that you can use it with an Android phone or an iPhone, and you got your events button. I caught many events. I caught a car where the hood went up in the middle of while they're driving on the highway, to almost hitting a mattress that was in the middle of the road, to close call with a deer. So it's a really awesome dash cam, because then you could take those videos and then have those directly onto your phone and share on social media. And now you'll be able to capture really cool moments, not only outside your car, but inside your car as well. So I don't want to spoil the campaign video and the campaign, so do check it out. Enjoy the rest of this video. Any changes that come out, I'll be sure to share with you. The campaign is doing so well. Really excited for Yossi and his team, and thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video and enjoy the Dride Dashcam, the new improved one, when it comes out.